Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with an algebraic equation, specifically an exponential equation, and we've taken this from the IEB's 2019 Supplementary exam. Right, so I'm going to rewrite the question. We're dealing with 2, so it's going to be 2 to the 4x minus 8 times 2 to the x equals 0. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this to that side, and that's going to give me 2 to the 4x equals, it becomes a positive 8 times 2 to the x, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and combine the x. I'm going to try and keep all the x's on the left-hand side. So to do that, I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to the x, right? Those 2 to the x's cancel out. And on this left-hand side, how can I simplify that? Well, because I've got the same base, I know I can subtract the exponents. So that's going to leave me with 2 to the 3x equals 8. Now, how can I rewrite this 8 as a base of 2, right? I want to try and get the 2, I want to try and get 2's on both sides. So I'm going to rewrite that 8 as a 2 to the 3. And therefore, that must mean that 3x equals 3. And when I divide both sides by 3, I get x is equal to 1. And that gives you the final answer for this particular question. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video. Until the next time, stay epic.